Done.
CJ.
No, like this at all.
What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome to another video. Today, I'm so like not read that past script. Anyways, today we're going to do the spicy noodles challenge. Guys, we have this for like 4 months now. Yeah, about 4 months now, we have it away yet. And today is the day. So when I almost start talking, we're going to prepare these and then I'm going to say my competitors dying over a noodle. Then again, I don't know what to expect with the spicy noodle, to be honest. But let's see. So we're going to start them out now and then we're going to set the table and do a thing. So we're going to set a little time to say, we're going to split it, I think about 4 hours, about that. So we'll split 2 noodles into 4 and then we'll see who can finish it within probably like say 2 to 3 minutes. Probably 3 minutes all long, but let's see. We're going to set the time and do it thing. So ketchup. You know, so we change your mind. 1 minute we're going to go. Since we're going to have a challenge, let's make it a challenge, right? And the worst aspect is with 4 people. The little way you get, you have 60 seconds to finish it. I mean, just feel like someone telling the time, you just have to taste it and make the rest of the time run. But let's see, 60 seconds on the clock, Samantha.
Guys, it's not safe. Them not even say like pepper sauce, you know, them call it fire sauce.
What?
Like, and them things you have to go in there.
Man.
So,
Soon throw in the water.
let's see.
And rooks.
I know when you put water, supposed to get on it. When you throw it out, the water is supposed to get the water.
So, we are mats up the things, guys. So, fire bomb.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so it's afterwards, you know, we don't read, we just do it anyway. Afterwards, you add the stuff to it. Oh, yeah, because the water got probably. How you feel?
Yeah, man, you smell that? No, it's not work, man. You smell that aroma there. Cover it up and make it eat, come on. Don't touch.
Don't touch, Sam. Don't touch. Don't burn it.
I'm taking short out there.
So what you say now? You ready?
Yeah.
Grandma.
So you ready? How you feel, CJ? 1 minute and a half.
So you're not share it out, right?
Yeah, I share it out, you know. But 1 minute, I go up on the clock for finish.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. Squeeze it. 2 minutes.
Come add the pepper. Say now, drain out the water.
You see what's going on? Spice reduction.
No, man.
Eh? You know, no, I think that kill you now. Oh, you smell that?
No.
No, no, smell it. And the sauce, the fire sauce, not go in there. The four of them. No man, this not right. A real fire. Come on, today. Make sure to squeeze out everything, you know, CJ. No, tear man, squeeze it. Come on.
Come on, about a tear down with the sauce, you know.
A team? I want to just sing.
No?
Single.
Look at just pour out like blood. No,
Make sure everything
yeah.
goes.
You get that?
What shall I do? Shall I lay down?
Can pop it in a phone again.
Yeah, I'm going to the same
Then, mommy, that's how we can so make them drink water too. Oh, I kind of want to taste it, you know, so you know somebody now go finish. Everybody have them for?
Sam, come, stay over there, sir.
Alright guys, now ready?
Yeah, man, ready, you know.
Alright, so hold up.
Wait, say 1 minute.
Yes, CJ, you set it for 1 minute?
Yeah, man, you have to check it for 1 minute.
Alright guys, go.
1 minute. Swallow it every day. We're done. We're done.
CJ.
Yeah, right. This is hard. Go, I'm not going to go on.
Right. Wait.
Go, Mary. Go, Mary. Hey.
You know that act? How are you?
Hello,
Go, Mary.
No, but see, Amara do it to Boxwood. What is this? What's it? Hold on, swallow it, swallow it. Swallow it, swallow it, swallow
You
it.
got some water?
No, chef will swallow it. Alright, Amara, do it. No, you should have sit down till 1 minute done. Alright, it's 1 minute, it's 1 minute. Stop, guys, go on.
1 minute?
Yeah. No, you can't stop. Stop. No, I want to taste something, guys. So what wanna feel?
I think my nigga better burn so much.
CJ boy sound like you can't talk. Go drink some.
It's a season of fire.
Listen.
Enough hard.
Yeah.
No, when your blood starts, it's in a half. It's when it starts for 6
Yeah, like you feel it.
You're not going to get sick, eh? Just eat it. Alright. Pass on this cup up to me.
Look how you said so. Oh, you said so.
Because the eat come out of me. Right now, my lips them are burn. Don't taste it.
Me not for tasting.
No, that's not it. Thank you.
Alright, good.
Yes, go shake later.
So, hold on. So, you just wax it down, so. You must be hungry. So, Daddy, you say it not taste bad? Daddy?
No, me I feel it.
Yeah, man. It's like a soaking. The lips are hotter now.
What she said, what yeah? Sugar. Hey. Walmart, me biting, I know.
Yes,
Anyway.
guys. As you can see.
Yeah, wet. Because you want to eat up?
What you come to eat up? Eat up. Yeah.
No, you're wicked to yourself. If you realize you can't manage.
Eat that at the first.
I don't want to bring nothing in here now.
Come on.
Yeah, your mouth not burning.
Guys, she just enough. Because she realized the rest of them eat her for them one. So she said, alright, I'm off done this. Yeah. Alright.
Well, we stood up to the challenge.
You never as bad as we expect, but it was.
It bad in the sense that your lips are in your
Your
mouth.
tongue was burn.
But then again, we not get no update because we turn the toilet ready. Go in Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Okay, done? You know? Alright, so my lip are burn. Bad.
Use the sugar. Use sugar.
It was a good challenge. I mean, I sweat, but we could buy later. Remember to subscribe, like this video, share it with a friend, and we continue on this journey. So just journey with us. So, later.
Bye, guys. Say bye. Bye.